Hey students, I am Arnab, your mathematics mentor, and today I am going to publish a mathematics specimen paper regarding ICSE semester 2 examination. And there will be two sections, section A and section B. And you have to do 10 questions from section A, and there are no choice in this section. So first, it is very obvious that first 10 question will be in MCQ pattern, and I think that first question comes from coordinate geometry. So first question is, a line intersects the y-axis and x-axis at the point P and Q respectively. If 2n minus 5 is the midpoint of PQ, then find the coordinate of P and Q respectively. Actually, it is from coordinate geometry, and to solve this question, you have to use midpoint formula, and we are know and we also know that any point on x-axis and y-axis is a comma 0 or some 0 comma b. You have to use this concept, and then it is from a question from circle, that is AB is a diameter. It is very obvious. PBA, it is given 45. Calculate PQB. Calculate PQB. Okay. So if we think that APB, that is semicircular angle, it is 90, and it is very obvious that PBA 45. Okay. So PBA 45, then PAB will be 45, as it is semicircular angle 90, so this will be 45, and from this arc PB, on this arc PB, PAB and PQB are two circumference angles, so PQB and PAB are equal, so PQB will be 45. So this type of question may come from circle, and another from circle, that O is the center. It is given. Calculate the value of x, and it is given that it is 3x and 2x. You first try to solve this question, and if you face any type of difficulties, please contact with me, and my WhatsApp number is also given in YouTube channel. Okay. So then another question, this is from cone, and this type of question is very important for your upcoming examination, that if the triangle ABC and right angle triangle, it will be right angle triangle, uh, and 5 centimeter, 12 centimeter and 30 centimeter. If it is not given in this question that it is right angle, if it is not mentioned in the question that it is right angle, you may see that 5 square plus 12 square is equal to 13 square. So obvious, it is right angle triangle. Is revolved about side 12 centimeter. Find the volume of the solid obtained. This type of question is very important, that a right angle triangle is revolved about its hypotenuse, its base, and this type of question may come in your upcoming examination. Then the question is, the total surface area of cone whose radius is r by 2 and slant height is 12. So you have to use the formula of total surface area, and you know that you have to use this and replace r by 2, and you replace L by 2L, and you all about know the formula of total surface area of cone, that is pi RL plus pi r square. So you have to replace r by 2 and L by 2L. Then an identity comes from trigonometry, cos A by 1 plus sin A plus tan A. So normally solve it, you may find the option. Then another from trigonometry, sec A minus cos A tan A plus cot A. What will be the option? You have to choose from this. Then a triangle ABC, angle A is equal to 30, angle B is equal to 90. If AC is equal to 8, find its area. You have to use the concept of trigonometry in this question, and this question is very important, very important. This 8 question and number 4 question are most expected in your upcoming examination. Then a question from probability. You see that a box contains 150 apples. If one apple is taken out from the box at random and the probability of its being rotten is 0.06, then find the number of good apples in the box. So you should use the concept of probability. So then another question from statistics. If the numbers 6, 8, 10, 12, 13x are arranged in ascending order, if the mean of observation is equal to the median, then find the value of the x. So you have to use the concept of median, and regarding this question uh, you have to first arrange this in ascending order, then you solve it. So these are first 10 questions in which there are no options. You have to do all these 10 questions, and these are all MCQ based. This will be MCQ based, and regarding this question, you will take only 20 minutes to solve this question. Actually, you have 1.5 hours, and to solve this uh, 10 question MCQ 10 question, you you should keep in mind that maximum you give maximum you give 20 to 25 minutes to solve this question. Now this is section B, and there are 2 3 4 5 6 2 3 4 5 6. There are 5 questions in this section B, and you have to attempt only 3 questions. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 5 questions, and you should you have to do 3 questions out of this 5 questions, and there is option. So first question is from circle. Here PT is a tangent at the point R, and PS, OR, QR. OR is radius, and it is given that OPR is X and PRQ is Y. You have to prove X plus 2Y is equal to 90. So students, please keep in mind, if you face any types of difficulties, you may contact with me, and I will publish I will publish this answer script of this question, okay, in PDF format. Then, and another question from circle. PA AM PA is equal to AM, it is given, and PM is a tangent. PM is a tangent. Then prove that PMB is isosceles and PA into PB is equal to MB square. This number 2 question, it is very important your upcoming examination. This question, particular this question. Now some from probability. Find the probability of getting 53 Sundays in a leap year. This is also very important question from probability, and this is from probability, and you have to find the probability of 53 Sundays in a leap year. Okay, and then from an question from height and distance. The angle of elevation of a top of a hill at the foot of a tower is 60, and the angle of depression from the top of the tower of the foot of the hill is 30. If the tower is 50 meter high, find the height of the hill. So this is very important. And then question 3, And from this from this question, that question 2 1, it carry 3 marks, second question carry 2 marks, and third one 2, and fourth. So this number distribution can be changed in this format 2 2 3 3 or 3 3 2 2. Okay, but every question, that is every question from 2, total marks of this question of 2 will be 10. And then another question from circle, P, PQ is equal to RQ, which is given, and RQP 68. PC and QC are tangents to the circle with center O. Calculate QOP and QOC. You have to do this. And the most important portion and important part of mensuration is the application of cone. A right angle triangle with side 15 cm 20 cm is made to revolve about its hypotenuse. Find the volume and surface area of the double cone. Is this question of double cone is very important your upcoming examination. And then three coins are tossed simultaneously. Find the probability of getting at least one head, at least two head, at most two heads. And this type of sum may come from probability at least one head. It means minimum number of head will be 1. You may take one head, or you may take two head, or three head. At least two head and at most two head. If students are interested to give, if you are interested to get the answers, you may contact with me, or you may discuss your problems through WhatsApp or my Telegram channel. Okay. Then an identity from trigonometry, sec to the power 4a into 1 minus sine to the power 4a is equal to 1 plus 2 tan square. You have to prove that. PT means prove that. Then one sum from statistics, and this unknown f1 and f2 from the mean and median is very important. Okay, the mean of the following distribution is 50. That is one condition is given, and if the sum of frequency is 120, another condition is given, that is 17 plus f1 plus 32 plus f2 plus 19 is equal to 120. And from the first condition you will get another relation between f1 and f2, and two simultaneous two equation you will get, and solve by solving this 1 and 2 equation you will get f1 and f2. And like this question, it is very important for your upcoming examination. So find the equation of the line through P and parallel to the line joining points A 7 comma minus 1 0 comma 3. So this is from circle, and we know that the slope of two lines which are parallel is equal. You have to use this concept. And then another question from coordinate geometry, and it is from reflection. So you have to use graph paper, and you you have to use the concept of reflection. Okay, so there are 2 points A and B, and A dash is the image of A when reflected in the x-axis, and B dash is the image of B when reflected in the line A dash. This type of question you easily answer the question of 1 and 2, and but you have to calculate, or you have to use your proper knowledge to find this number 3 question. It is very important, and very carefully you will do this sum in your home or in your school, and give the geometrical name of AB and A dash B dash. So another question from mensuration. A heap of wheat is in the form of a cone whose diameter is 10.5 meter and height is 3 meter. The heap is to be covered by canvas to protect it from rain. Find the area of canvas. You have to find the surface area, lateral surface area or curved surface area. So from this paper, this uh, question number 4, question number 4.1 and question number 4.3, it is, these two question is very important, particular this part, when reflected in the line A dash. Then another question from circle and tangent property you have to use, that from external point if we draw two tangent it is equal, and you have to use this to solve this problem. Okay, then another application of trigonometry identities you have to prove, and this is the most important question from straight line, and it is very important for your upcoming examination. A line meet x-axis and y-axis, and in such ratio 1 point p, that is p divides, that is p divides AB in the ratio 1:2. Find A and B. Find the equation of the line through P and perpendicular to AB. So you have to use the concept of perpendicularity condition. Okay, and then another question from statistics, question number 4. You have to use the concept of histogram, and this histogram wala maths is very important. Then one question from probability. A bag contains 6 red balls, some blue balls. If the probability of drawing a blue ball is 4 times that the red ball, find the number of balls in bags. Very important. Then the points P divides the line segment 2, minus 2 B, B in the ratio 3:5. Then find B. This is from height and distance. The shadow of a tower standing on a level ground is found to be 40 meters larger when the sun's altitude is 30 degree. Then find the height of the tower. Then you have to calculate the median. It's from statistics. So in this page you will find some important sum, that is histogram wala sum and this height and distance wala sum. These two sums are very important. So these are the discussion of my first model paper and specimen paper of ICSE semester 2 examination. So if you will face any type of difficulties, I will help you through WhatsApp or Telegram, and if you want the answer script of this paper, I will add it in PDF format, and I will send this link after 4-5 days in description box. Okay, so please follow my channel regularly, and make a comment if you face any type of difficulties. Thank you.